Ravi, a software engineer in Bengaluru, was on his way to his favorite coffee shop after a long day at work. He enjoyed these quiet moments where he could unwind with a book and a hot cup of coffee. One evening, while engrossed in his latest novel, he noticed a girl at the next table struggling to open her laptop. Nisha, a budding writer, had recently moved to Bengaluru from Delhi. She was at the same coffee shop trying to work on her latest story, but her laptop seemed to have a mind of its own. Frustrated, she sighed audibly, catching Ravi's attention. "Need some help?" Ravi offered, flashing a friendly smile. Nisha looked up, her eyes meeting his, and she nodded gratefully. Ravi's technical skills quickly resolved the issue, and thus began their conversation. As they chatted, they discovered they both frequented the coffee shop regularly. They exchanged names and a bit about their backgrounds. Nisha was working on her first novel, while Ravi was in the middle of an important project at work. Over the next few weeks, Ravi and Nisha kept running into each other at the coffee shop. They started to share a table, chatting about their day and discovering common interests. Ravi was captivated by Nisha's passion for writing, while Nisha was intrigued by Ravi's world of technology. Their conversations grew longer and more engaging. They talked about their favorite books, movies, and music. Nisha introduced Ravi to classic literature, while Ravi shared his love for coding and the latest tech trends. One rainy evening, Ravi suggested they take a walk in the nearby park. As they strolled under the umbrella, sharing stories and laughter, their friendship deepened. They found comfort and excitement in each other's company, a welcome respite from their busy lives. Encouraged by their growing bond, Ravi decided to ask Nisha out on a proper date. Nervously, he invited her to a music concert happening over the weekend. Nisha, who had been waiting for this moment, eagerly accepted. The concert was magical. Under the starlit sky, surrounded by melodious tunes, Ravi and Nisha felt a connection stronger than ever. As the evening ended, Ravi mustered the courage to hold Nisha's hand. She responded with a warm smile, and in that moment, they both knew their feelings were mutual. After the concert, they walked along the beach, the sound of waves adding to the romantic ambience. Ravi shared stories of his childhood, while Nisha talked about her dreams of becoming a renowned author. Ravi and Nisha began spending more time together, exploring the city, trying new cuisines, and sharing their dreams. Ravi dreamt of starting his own tech company, while Nisha aspired to publish her novel. They encouraged each other, providing the motivation and support needed to pursue their ambitions. One evening, while walking along the beach, Nisha confided in Ravi about her fears of not being able to succeed as a writer. Ravi listened patiently, holding her close, and assured her that she had the talent and dedication to make her dreams come true. Nisha's belief in Ravi's abilities grew stronger as she saw him work tirelessly on his startup idea. Ravi, in turn, read Nisha's drafts, offering constructive feedback and constant encouragement. As their relationship blossomed, they faced challenges. Nisha's parents, conservative and traditional, were not keen on her relationship with Ravi, fearing it would distract her from her career. Meanwhile, Ravi's job demanded more of his time, leading to fewer moments together. Despite the obstacles, Ravi and Nisha were determined to make it work. They communicated openly, addressing each other's concerns and finding ways to spend quality time together despite their busy schedules. Nisha struggled with balancing her writing and the pressure from her parents. Ravi supported her by helping her create a writing schedule and often bringing her small gifts to keep her motivated. Ravi decided to visit Nisha's parents in Delhi, hoping to win their approval. Nervous but resolute, he stood before them, expressing his genuine love and respect for Nisha. He promised to support her dreams and ensure her happiness. Nisha's parents were initially skeptical, but over time, they saw Ravi's sincerity and commitment. Slowly, they began to warm up to him, realizing that their daughter's happiness was paramount. Ravi's efforts to bond with Nisha's family included participating in family events and learning about their traditions. His respect and understanding gradually earned their trust. With her parents' reluctant blessing, Nisha felt a weight lift off her shoulders. She and Ravi grew closer, and their relationship entered a new phase. Ravi decided to take a leap of faith and started working on his own tech startup, while Nisha focused on her novel with renewed vigor. They supported each other through the highs and lows, celebrating small victories and providing comfort during setbacks. Their love for each other was a constant source of strength and inspiration. One evening, Ravi surprised Nisha with a special dinner to celebrate the completion of the first draft of her novel. Nisha was touched by his thoughtfulness and felt deeply grateful for his unwavering support. As they navigated their busy lives, Ravi and Nisha made sure to cherish their time together. They planned weekend getaways, exploring scenic places, and creating beautiful memories. Each trip brought them closer, deepening their bond. During one such trip to the hills of Coorg, Ravi and Nisha sat by a bonfire, sharing their hopes and dreams. The serene surroundings and the warmth of the fire created a perfect setting for their heartfelt conversations. Nisha loved these moments of tranquility, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Ravi's presence made her feel secure and cherished, reinforcing her belief in their future together. After 2 years of dating, Ravi knew he wanted to spend the rest of his life with Nisha. He planned a special evening at the same park where they had taken their first walk. Under a canopy of fairy lights, with a violinist playing their favorite tune, Ravi got down on one knee. "Nisha, will you marry me?" he asked, his eyes full of hope and love. Nisha, tears of joy streaming down her face, said yes. It was a perfect moment, a culmination of their beautiful journey together. Their engagement was celebrated with much joy and excitement. Friends and family gathered to bless the couple, sharing in their happiness. Nisha's parents, now fully supportive, welcomed Ravi into their family with open arms. The wedding planning began, blending their cultural traditions with their personal tastes. It was a time of joy, anticipation, and love as they prepared to embark on their new life together. They decided to incorporate elements that reflected their unique love story. Nisha was thrilled to choose her wedding attire, opting for a traditional red lehenga with intricate embroidery. Ravi selected a classic sherwani that complemented her outfit perfectly. They took pleasure in planning every detail, from the decorations to the menu. Their friends and family pitched in, adding their own touches to the celebrations. It was a community effort, making the event even more special and memorable for Ravi and Nisha. The pre-wedding festivities were filled with laughter and joy. The mehendi ceremony was a vibrant affair, with Nisha's hands adorned with intricate henna designs. Ravi's name was cleverly hidden within the patterns, a tradition symbolizing love and togetherness. During the Sangeet, friends and family performed dances, celebrating the couple's union. Ravi surprised Nisha with a heartfelt performance, singing her favorite song. Nisha was moved to tears, feeling blessed to have such a loving partner. The haldi ceremony brought both families together, applying turmeric paste to the couple's skin for good luck and blessings. The playful banter and laughter during the ritual strengthened the bonds between the two families. Ravi and Nisha's wedding day was a grand affair, filled with colorful rituals, laughter, and heartfelt moments. They exchanged vows, promising to stand by each other through thick and thin, to support each other's dreams, and to love unconditionally. The ceremony was a beautiful blend of tradition and modernity, reflecting their journey and values. As they took the 7 sacred vows around the holy fire, they felt a profound sense of unity and commitment. The reception that followed was a joyous celebration. Friends and family toasted to the couple's happiness, sharing anecdotes and blessings. Ravi and Nisha danced the night away, surrounded by the love and warmth of their loved ones. As they embarked on their honeymoon, exploring the beautiful landscapes of Europe, Ravi and Nisha reflected on their journey. They had come a long way from that first meeting in the coffee shop, overcoming challenges and growing stronger together. Their love story was just beginning, a tale of serendipity, perseverance, and unwavering love. Ravi and Nisha knew that whatever the future held, they would face it together, their hearts forever intertwined. The honeymoon was a time of discovery and bonding. They explored picturesque towns, tried new cuisines, and enjoyed the simple pleasure of each other's company. It was a perfect start to their married life. Upon returning from their honeymoon, Ravi and Nisha set about building their home together. They found a cozy apartment in a quiet neighborhood where they could create their own sanctuary away from the world. Decorating their new home was an exciting adventure. They blended their tastes, choosing furniture and decor that